going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Nissan Murano. This is how you replace a remote battery.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. You have this button right here. We're going to slide this button to the right, and then you can pull the emergency key right out, okay? Now I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver to split open this remote. There are these two little slots right here, okay, that I'm going to use to help me out. And go with the flathead screwdriver in here. Be kind of careful not to poke yourself with whatever you're using, but you just want to pry it up and open, okay? Take the cover off, and on the back of the remote is what holds the battery. I'm gonna take the battery out, and then I'll get the new battery, and I'll show you what size the new battery is, but we're just gonna pry it out. Okay. Trying not to drop it, because if I drop it in the car, I'll never find it again. So take it out. I'll show you the new battery. Here's the new battery, and the size of the new battery is a CR2032, and the part that has the writing on it is going to be the positive side, and that's going to be facing down in this holder, okay? So if we look, put it in at an angle like this, okay, and then we'll get the other half. All we do is just push these guys back together. I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. And emergency key would go right in if everything's put together right. And we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you like and subscribe.